Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Afterpay in store. So now, the first thing that you need to do is download the Afterpay application from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then, you need to log in or create an Afterpay account and add the Afterpay card to your digital wallet. Visit an Afterpay-enabled store and shop for the items you want. At checkout, use Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay and select the Afterpay card to tap and pay. Now, receive an instant confirmation of your purchase and pay later in 4 installments. Not all stores accept Afterpay. Before you go to a physical store, check the Afterpay app or website to see if the store is listed as a partner. Afterpay allows you to repay the total amount in 4 equal installments. The first installment is paid at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 are automatically deducted from your linked payment method every 2 weeks. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.